Hi, this is Lisa from Lisa Ann Studios. Glad to have you here today. I'm doing a mini resin geode. These are 8x8s, and unfortunately I did lose some footage at the beginning of this, so I will explain this, what I did. I actually started off doing just laying some fiberglass down where I wanted it, and then filled that in with some crushed glass, and then alongside that I had some gold powder pigment mixed with some gloss varnish, and I painted the edges, the sides of the fiberglass. And I will link everything, any of the products that I've used down below. And then you see me coming in here with some glitter lines, and I mixed some very fine glitter, Martha Stewart gold fine glitter, with the resin, and let that be as thick as possible. I used a cup to pour that out in, but you have to have it as thick. You can do it, make it as thick as you need to, and then pour those lines. So I came in and did that, and then I let that sit for another 24 hours and came in with some paint markers along the edges of the glitter lines, and then made some additional paint lines as well too that you'll see here. And I used Craft Smart metallic gold, and then also the white, as you'll see me draw some white lines as well too. And then once I finished that, I let that sit for 24 hours. So this is the next day, and so I'm coming back in and I'm putting more gold pigment powder mixed with the gloss varnish, and just doing another layer of the gloss varnish along with that. See me here coming in with another flood coat. I waited 24 hours, and I came in and put this flood coat on, and I use my fingers to make sure I get it all in the cracks and crevices, because I want to make sure those glitter lines are completely covered. And then when I get done with this and I let it sit another night, I will come in and do the markers and redefine those as well. And here you see me coming in and filling in some more glass stones, some more the crushed glass, to try to get some of that shine back, any holes or anything like that. Because once you put resin on top of the crushed glass or the mirrored glass, it tends to dull it a little bit. So I like to, if I can add a little bit more towards the end, I like to do that. As you can see, I keep coming in and adding a little bit more, a little bit more. I fiddle with this quite a bit, so it does take me a little bit of time. So I'm constantly fiddling with it, trying to get, trying to make sure it's got the look that I want it to when it's all done. So here I'm just trying to clean everything up and finish it off. So here is the final finished. Did a little, so I'm trying to come in close so you can see the different dimensions and the amount of layers. As you can see, I kept coming in quite a bit because I really, really wanted that layered look. And you can see with the iridescent white, that really makes that shine and shimmer underneath those layers. I love how that sparkles. Again, this is Lisa from Lisa Ann Studios. I appreciate you watching today, and please like and subscribe. See you next time. Thank you.